Vaheguru students, welcome to your SST class, and today we are going to start with your chapter number first of history, the rise of nationalism in Europe. Yes, but in our last class we have read about the French Revolution, and after the end of French Revolution in many parts of the Europe, beta, the feeling of nationalism has rose into the heart of people, and now the people were marching to, and they were now demanding the nationalism and the democracy for themselves. So there is a picture in front of you which was made by the Frederick Sorio. Okay, Frederick Sorio, he was an artist and he is showing about the demand for the nationalism by the people of India, and people of Europe. This picture has been made in 1848, and he has prepared a series of four prints, okay, which were visualizing the dream of the world about the democratic and the social republics. Now the first print which he have shown, the first print shows the people of Europe and America. Okay, what the first print is showing? It is showing the people of Europe as well as the America, which were marching in a train like marching in a long train, like they were moving in a queues, and they have made a long train like then they were demanding and they were offering the homage to the Statue of Liberty. The torch of enlightenment is there in the hand. Can you see the Statue of Liberty is there, and the torch of enlightenment is there in the hand of the female figure, and one hand and the Charter of Rights of Man in the other hand. Okay, in their hands picture there was this female is bearing a torch of enlightenment, and on the other hand she is having the Charter of Rights of Man. In this charter the rights of the human beings were written, which rights should be given to the human being in the Europe. So on the earth in the foreground, that is light in the shattered, it remains the symbol of absolute institutions. So beta, can you see the vision of Sorio which he have represented? In this long queue, people are marching and they are having the different flags in their hands. From these flags, what is identified? Their nation, their national customs. Okay, all these things are identified from their flags, that from which area they belong. So this whole of the process is led by the United States, and the Switzerland, France and Germany are following them. So following the German people, these are the people of Austria, the kingdom, and the two other countries, that is Poland, England, Ireland, Hungary, as well as the Russia. So they are also following this. And can you see above here the picture is there in which so where the people are marching, just above that they have shown the heaven. From that heaven, many of the saints, angels and the Jesus Christ, they are watching this scene, and they have been used by the artist to symbolize the fraternity among the nations of the world.